In December 2014, the government of Estonia launched the revolutionary program known as the e-Residency program. The purpose of this initiative was to provide global entrepreneurs access to Estonian services, such as company formation, payment processing, banking, as well as taxation. And since Estonia is part of the EU government or the EU region, then you are also able, through the e-Residency program, to set up your business in the EU. After just 1 year of launching, more than 5,000 entrepreneurs from 100 countries became e-residents. Now, fast forward 10 years to today, there are over 100,000 e-residents from 181 countries. And yes, I'm one of those 100,000 e-residents. So let's talk about it. Now, if you're a subscriber to our channel, you know we normally put out videos about selling on Amazon and e-commerce. However, I wanted to do this video about the e-Residency program because, of course, if you want to be a successful business owner, whether in e-commerce or in any other business, you need to have a successful and correct business setup. And the e-Residency program can provide you just that. I became an e-resident back in 2020, and last year, I also became an e-Residency envoy, which is kind of a spokesperson for the e-Residency program, and I'm very proud to be representing the Middle East region. So that's why I wanted to bring this video for you, but don't worry, this is not just going to be a video about the e-Residency program. Keep watching till the end because I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to become an e-resident and to register a business in Estonia.
So, as you know, or maybe some people don't know, but Estonian state, we're a very small nation. It's only 1.3 million people, and we don't really have any natural resources. So we have been, ever since we became independent again, we regained our independence in the 1991, we've been trying to look for solutions how to become bigger, how to expand, how to grow the economy. And e-Residency program was exactly for that, to grow the Estonian economy, to be able to say that we are bigger than we actually are physically, and how bigger than we can ever become without e-Residency program. So this is the main inspiration and rationale behind it. So we opened the Estonian economy and the business environment up to any foreigners to join, to become e-residents, and then to use our ecosystem to develop their businesses. We have a rather good mix of people, but they're most likely to be in their late 30s, 40s. They are people who, besides digital nomads, who are usually younger people, they are someone who are looking for a second or a third career option. They are starting their own business. Mm-hmm. So this is a very specific crowd. And they're also most likely to be in a service industry. So offering their services, their skills, their skill sets as a service to other companies. And another aspect is that we offer the European Union single market. So anyone who are looking to set up a business in the EU, we would be the first choice. And of course, the fact that the Estonian business environment and all the regulations, it's very easy. There's almost no bureaucracy. There's very little red tape, and it's a lot cheaper than it is in any other European country. So essentially, e-Residency is a identification, like a digital identity, and we need the card for this. So basically, all the e-residents are given a unique code, which is on the card. Your name would be on the card, and there's a chip. So with this, if you stick it to the reader and to the computer, then you can sign documents, you can digitally. So you can enter all of the digital systems and also sign documents. So this is e-Residency is essentially defined through the card. But if we think of the future, then actually we would like to go cardless, to go fully digital, meaning that the card would only be an alternative if you need it, but you could actually do everything and anything digitally and online and through the device. So this is the future, this is the dream, to become cardless. And we will think of something that would replace the kits and the card, because we know that our e-residents are really proud when they receive it. They post a photo of it to the social media and they share it. So we will think of something to replace it once we go cardless. But that's the dream, yes. I think the main difference between when we started and now is the community. Because, or the community effect of the program. So we as the team, the program team, we are trying to collect ideas, also problems, challenges, and then try to solve them. This is how we do our daily work, like in terms of developing the business. But we're also trying to collect the people who are interested in the e-residents who are interested in promoting the program, for example. So this is something that we started just lately. You're also part of this program. It's spokespersons and e-residency envoys. So for a private business, this would be an ideal situation. If your customers and clients are willing to speak on your behalf and speak about the product, this is way better than any marketing or PR done on the product. So this is different, and we are also constantly trying to develop the ecosystem as well, so that, for example, if you need any type of service for your business, there would be a marketplace with different service providers. So that's also what we are doing. We're collecting those service providers. They need to comply with our sort of code of conduct, and you can trust them because it has this like validation from the program as well. So this ecosystem and community effect is, I think, what's different compared to 10 years ago when we just started out.
Now, to become an e-resident and register your business in Estonia, it's actually just a two-step process. And if you're worried that you don't know how these things happen and you don't know really how to do them, and maybe you need someone to help you out, well, worry not, because the e-residency team have created what is known as the e-residency marketplace, where you're going to find incredible service providers that can help you sift through everything that is required. But trust me, you can do the first step on your own. To become a full e-resident, the first step would be to go to the e-residency website, www.eresident.gov.ee. This is where you're going to have to apply. And the application literally is very simple, honestly. It takes about 30 minutes to apply, to fill out the application. And that application includes information about you. Remember, the e-residency program is a program that is linked to the government of Estonia. So, of course, this application needs to be checked by the Estonian government. And checking the application requires anywhere from 1 all the way up to 8 weeks. Once the application has been approved, you would also then be able to go and pick up your e-residency card, which comes in a really cool e-residency kit. And the good news is you have over 50 locations worldwide in order to go and pick up that e-residency card. And that's it. Once you have that e-residency card, you literally become an e-resident, and then you're going to be able to use all of the Estonian services. You take that e-residency card, you plug it into the reader, and you literally plug it into your computer, and then you'll be able to register your Estonian business. After that, you'll also be able to have access to all the services that you need in order to create a successful business, such as opening a bank account, any other details that you require, depending on your business. To become an e-resident takes anywhere between 2 up to 5 weeks, depending on how long your application requires to be approved and how long it takes for the kit to be delivered to your preferred location. After that, you'll be able to renew it quite easily. Within 5 years, that's normally how long it takes for you to be able to renew it later on, or how much it takes for you to need to renew it later on. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for the e-Residency team for helping us create this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.